Are you ready to unlock the secrets of becoming a top-tier web developer by 2026? The digital landscape is evolving at warp speed, and if you're not staying ahead, you're falling behind. Forget what you think you know about web development. This isn't just about building websites, it's about crafting experiences, shaping industries, and defining the future. This is your comprehensive roadmap. In this guide, we'll navigate the entire journey, from fundamental concepts to advanced techniques, ensuring you're not just ready, but leading the charge in 2026. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the very bedrock, how the internet works. It's all about clients, like your browser, making requests to servers, and servers sending back the data you see. Our first building block is HTML, the hypertext markup language. It provides the structure and content for every web page you visit. Think of it as the skeleton of your web application. Next, we add flair with CSS, or cascading style sheets. This is where you transform raw HTML into visually appealing designs, controlling colors, fonts, layouts, and making your pages responsive. To bring your pages to life, we use JavaScript. It's the programming language of the web, enabling interactive elements, dynamic content, and complex functionalities that engage users. Essential for any developer is version control. Git allows you to track changes in your code, collaborate seamlessly, and revert to previous versions. GitHub is the industry standard for hosting your repositories. With the basics covered, let's dive into front-end development, where we build everything the user sees and interacts with. This is about crafting intuitive and beautiful user experiences. To manage project dependencies and optimize our code for production, we rely on package managers like NPM and Yarn, and powerful build tools like Webpack or the lightning-fast Vite. For robust and scalable front-end applications, frameworks are key. React, Angular, and Vue.js are the titans of this space, each offering unique approaches to building dynamic UIs. Angular, backed by Google, is a comprehensive framework perfect for large-scale enterprise applications, offering a structured approach with TypeScript at its core. Vue.js, on the other hand, is known for its approachability and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for incrementally enhancing projects or building single-page applications. As applications grow, managing data state becomes complex. Tools like React Context API or Redux provide centralized ways to handle application-wide data efficiently. For rapid UI development, styling frameworks are invaluable. Tailwind CSS offers utility-first styling, while Bootstrap provides a robust collection of pre-built components. High-quality software requires rigorous testing. Unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests ensure your application works as expected and remains stable as it evolves. Now, let's shift to backend development, the engine room of your application, handling data, logic, and server operations that users don't directly see. For backend development, you have a wealth of powerful languages. Node.js with Express.js allows you to use JavaScript on the server, offering full-stack consistency. Python, with frameworks like Django and Flask, is incredibly versatile, popular for its readability and extensive libraries, making it ideal for web, data science, and AI. PHP, especially with modern frameworks like Laravel, remains a powerhouse for web development, powering a significant portion of the internet with its robust ecosystem. For performance-critical applications and microservices, Go, with frameworks like Gin, offers excellent speed and concurrency, making it a favorite for scalable systems. Every application needs a place to store data. SQL databases like PostgreSQL and MySQL are relational, structured, and perfect for complex data relationships. For flexibility and massive scalability, NoSQL databases like MongoDB and Firestore offer document-based or key-value storage, ideal for rapidly changing data models. APIs, or Application Programming Interfaces, are how different software components communicate. RESTful APIs are the most common, while GraphQL offers more efficient data fetching. Securing your application is paramount. Authentication verifies user identity, and authorization controls what they can access. Technologies like JWT and OAuth are crucial here. Once built, your application needs to be deployed to be accessible online. Services like Netlify, Vercel, AWS, and Heroku provide robust platforms for hosting and scaling your projects. Now, let's venture into advanced topics that will truly set you apart. DevOps practices, including CI/CD pipelines, automate your development and deployment workflows. Cloud computing with providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform offers unparalleled scalability, computing power, and a vast array of services for modern applications. Looking to the future, Web3 and blockchain technologies are reshaping how we build decentralized applications, offering new paradigms for ownership and data management. Integrating artificial intelligence and machine learning into web applications is becoming increasingly common, from personalized user experiences to intelligent data processing. Optimizing for performance ensures a fast and smooth user experience, while robust security practices protect your application and user data from threats. This roadmap might seem extensive, but remember, every expert started as a beginner. The key is consistent learning, hands-on practice, and a passion for building. The web development world is constantly evolving. Embrace new technologies, contribute to open source, and never stop honing your skills. Your journey to mastery is continuous. If this roadmap has ignited your passion, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth guides, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What part of this roadmap excites you the most?